In this video, we'll show you how to search for and edit account and contact records in Salesforce. There are multiple ways to look up information in Salesforce, including the search bar, list views, and hyperlinks. Let's start by using the search bar at the top of the screen on the home page. There are a few things to note about the search bar. Once you begin typing, an auto-populated list of records that contains the word will appear. You can click on one of these results. However, to see the full list of results, continue typing and then press the Return or Enter button on your keyboard. A complete list of results will appear and will be grouped by object. For example, we'll type in ArtSpace. As you can see, all of the records that contains the word ArtSpace appears, including accounts and contacts related to the ArtSpace account. You can also use the list view to look and see if an ArtSpace account exists. First, click on the Accounts Object tab. As you can see by default, the list view of recently viewed accounts appears for me. Let's switch the list view to All Accounts. To find ArtSpace, we can either scroll down to the accounts that start with A, or use the search bar in the top right of the screen and search for ArtSpace. Note, when you use a search bar within an object, you'll only get results of records from that object. In this example, we're only searching for accounts that match ArtSpace, not contacts or projects that contain the word. Now let's search for a contact. You can use either method to look up an existing contact. In this example, we'll use the top search bar to look for the contact Johnny Rocket. As soon as you start typing, matching records will begin to appear. The more specific you are in your search, the more specific the results will be. Note, if you enter the full name of a contact and receive no results, try to make your search more general. In our example, instead of typing Johnny Rocket, we can enter John or simply J. Accounts and contacts will require maintenance over time to keep information up to date. Let's look at editing information on an existing contact. Let's say that Johnny Rocket changed his phone number. Select the contact record for Johnny Rocket. When selecting a record, Salesforce should default to the Details page. If for some reason it does not, like in this case, simply navigate to and click on the Details page. Look for the field you need to edit and click on the pencil icon. In this case, Phone. Change the number and then click Save. Now the field is updated. You can edit all fields with the pencil icon in this way. That wraps up how to search for and edit account and contact records in Salesforce.